Let's go.
Good morning, everyone. Hope that you all are having a blessed day today. I know it's been a long time since I talked to you, but in this video, I just want to show you something really quick that I am doing. And I know a lot of people are going to say, Polo, what in the world are you doing and why are you doing it? But there is a method behind this madness. So a lot of people know what my back lawn look like. As you can see, there is absolutely nothing wrong with my back lawn. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bless it with some holy water. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get out the holy water, break out the boots, break out the gloves, and start spraying and start cutting this thing down, cleaning it up, putting some dirt where some low levels are, and just getting it ready for something special. Now, what I'm getting it ready for is this right here. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I want to introduce you all to some brand new seed on the market from Newsom seed, and it is the Elevated Lawn Mix. Yes, this seed is called the Elevated Lawn Mix. I'm calling it the Life on M Street, brought to you by my boy Cam from Elevated Landscapes. Of course, you know my brother Cam is from the Workin team, and you know we all work together. And ladies and gentlemen, we can say that we got our own seed now. As you can see, the seed that is in this bag is like no other. Yes, it's a 90-10 blend, meaning it's 90% tall fescue, 10% bluegrass, but there's 3 different bluegrasses in this bag, not just one. And that, my friend, is one of the most coolest things about it. Normally on a 90-10 blend where 90% is tall fescue and the other 10 is Kentucky bluegrass, you only get 1 Kentucky bluegrass. On this one, we have 3. Now, in the meantime and in between time, make sure you go ahead and order your seed. Here's the information. You can either call and then they will ship it to you, or if you live in that surrounding area, only thing you got to do is just go there and pick you up a bag. They come in 50-pound bags and 25-pound bags. Don't miss out on this, you all. This is a great mix, and it's a mix out there that is like no other. Now, I know I sound like I'm a salesman. I know I do. I'm not trying to trick you all. I'm not trying to say, hey, go buy this so it can fatten up my pockets. I'm not getting a dime of this. But I am going to show some support for my brother from the Workin team. That's one thing that I am going to do. So if you want to show that support as well, if you want to have some great seed in your lawn, because Mountain View Seeds do have some great seeds, only thing you got to do is just give them a call and ask for that Elevated Lawn Mix or that Life on M Street mix, and then get that in your lawn, and then you can enjoy the mow as long as you want to, because this is top-notch seed. Thank you all for tuning in. Y'all have a blessed one, and I'll see y'all in the next one.